Hi, this is Mrigang. With the help of this video, I will show you how you can use the engagement workflow to monitor the activities going on in your configured pages. The engagement workflow is an interface where you can see all the activities going on in real time. It is pretty easy to use the tool as you're going to experience on your own. As soon as you log in, you will land into the My Services page. Just below the My Services icon, you see the engagement icon. Before I demonstrate the engagement workflow, I want to post a comment on my Facebook Social Cloud brand page. Later I will show you how you can use this comment in real time. So I go to my Social Cloud page and post a comment. Social media marketing is the way to go forward. I come back to Social Cloud. Click on the engagement icon below My Service and you will land on the engagement workflow page. You can see the top 25 activities from Facebook and Twitter. As you notice, we still do not see the comment that we posted some time ago. At this point, I would like to make it clear that you see only the activities of the Facebook and Twitter account that you have configured on Social Cloud. Also, to monitor Twitter handle activities online, you need to configure the Twitter account for monitoring streaming. As you see, with each activity, you also have an option of viewing the post. Let's say I want to view a post. Just click on View Post and you will be taken to that post either in Facebook or Twitter. If you want, you can engage with the user or post a comment. As you see, I will like this comment. With each post or comment, you also get to see the sentiment of the comment or the post. The sentiment can be positive, negative, or neutral. You also have a choice of seeing posts that have a particular sentiment. You can unselect the sentiment radio button, which you do not want to view. By default, all the posts, comments are shown. Let's say you want to see all the negative posts and engage with the people who are talking negatively about your brand or your product. You can do so by deselecting positive and negative checkboxes. If you have more than one Facebook page configured, the activities from all the pages will be listed here. If you want to see the activities of a particular page, you can use the search box and type the name of that page. As you see now, the comment I had posted some time ago is now shown on the engagement window. You can click on View Post to see the post. Thank you. Hi, this is Mrigang. With the help of this video, I will show you how you can configure your social pages in Social Cloud. It is pretty easy to use the tool as you are going to experience this on your own. Soon as you log in, you will land on the My Services page. My Services and Competitor Analysis are part of the Services menu. We will use My Services menu to configure our social pages and Competitor Analysis menu to configure our competitors' social pages. Let's go to My Services and configure our social pages. The Facebook fan page is selected by default. Click on Login with Facebook, provide your Facebook credentials. As soon as you enter your credentials, you can see the list of Facebook pages for which you are the administrator. As I am the administrator for our social cloud page on Facebook, I was able to view the pages in the list. Below the list, you can see the legends that explains the various buttons available on the screen. Now we will configure the social cloud page by clicking on the configure button. You will get a confirmation pop-up. Click on OK and voila, your Facebook page is configured. Similarly, if you use this Facebook page for customer service, you will have to configure it for the CSA report. You can remove the configuration in future by using the remove configuration button. Once you have configured your Facebook page, you can monitor the activities in the engagement workflow and generate insightful reports for this Facebook page. You can learn about the engagement workflow and the reporting in our other videos. If you want to generate Facebook Insight report for your pages, you will have to configure them too. Click on Facebook Insight on the My Services page and follow the same process for Facebook fan page configuration. Once you see your page in the list, use the configuration button to configure the page. Once you configure your Facebook page for Insight, you can generate Facebook Insight reports for the page. Now we will configure a Twitter handle. Click on Twitter on the My Services page. Click on Connect with Twitter. You will see a pop-up from Twitter. Provide your Twitter credentials and click on Authorize App. Twitter will generate a PIN. Copy the PIN and go to Social Cloud and provide the PIN. Now you can see your Twitter handle in the list. You can go ahead and configure handle by clicking on the configure account button. Configuring your account will allow you to generate Twitter account report. If you want to monitor your Twitter handle activity in the engagement workflow and also want to generate customer service analytics report, you will have to configure using the monitor streaming and CSA button next to the configuration account button. As I mentioned earlier, you can learn about the engagement workflow and reporting in our other videos. Finally, let me show you how to configure a YouTube account. Click on YouTube in the My Services page. Click on Connect with YouTube. You see a pop-up saying with this application would do. Just accept it. Provide your credentials. You can see your YouTube channel list. Configure the channel like the way you have done for others. You are ready to go. In this video, we have shown you how you can configure your social pages. You can learn more about the engagement workflow and reporting in our other videos.